how to use this Lush Soil on the plants. Lush Soil.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Welcome back to my channel again, guys. So yesterday I received the order that I ordered from Facebook, the direct supplier of this Lush Soil. So never mind, my hands, it's so dirty because I'm just done arrange my flowers at the back. So yesterday I received this order from Facebook, Lush Soil Fertilizer. So this is very effective, as I can see the reviews on this one. So I just try to order so that I can experience if this is really effective or not. So this Lush Soil Fertilizer, you will just use this on the plants direct. You just apply on the roots. So when you have plants, dig some of the soil to find the roots, then put 1 tablespoon of Lush Soil. So I will just try this on my American lime and some of my bell pepper. So last video I have is I transfer my American lime on the big pot, and this lime is from that blue barrel there. So as I observed, so has a flower already, but before this one I'm used an Ultra Plus foliar fertilizer. It gives me more flowers and of course lime fruit, but this time it's only two coming fruits on this one. So since this look, this leaves of my lime is not really healthy, so I try to order the Lush Soil so that I can apply this one. So before that one, we will dig some of the soil and we will find the roots so that we can put and apply this direct to the roots as what the direction said. So we will remove some part of this soil. So anyway, the on the top of this one have already the roots, but we will dig more so that we can find more roots, so that it's really effective as what the direction said. It's you can see the effect on this one for 4 days. So since today is Thursday, so we will see on Sunday. I will do another video on this one. So we will just put the Lush I cannot pronounce nicely. So the Lush Soil on this one. So we will just put 1 tablespoon on this one. So we will open this package first so that we can apply this one. So as you can see, it's just really like a soil. So you will I just estimated 1 tablespoon this one, then just spread all over the roots where you can find it, and I will add more. Then you will put back the soil. So balik mo lang yung soil, guys. So just like that, then we will see. And of course, not only this lime I will try, and I will try this some of my tomatoes. I planted tomatoes 2 weeks ago, but it raining so hot and I think it's not really good, so we'll try to put. But after that one, you will just put some also on the top. So as what recommended, if you like one in the bottom of the roots and on the top. So we will see this one. And as you can see, all the leaves is yellowish. So of course we will try to put this on the bell paper too. Homer, you're so noisy there. Homer. Put it back. And then there's too skinny. So we will see if this really helps. If this really is effective, because Yun. So, this also